Raila is making a quick move to deal with Ruto's government. Raila is making an impromptu move. I don't know that I should call it impromptu or what, but a quick move to just deal with Ruto's government. So, right now it's almost clear or certain that Raila Odinga will not vie the next election based on his age. Even though I'm not saying that he will not vie, but chances are so high that he might not vie. Why? Because I think Raila is somehow hungry with the whole system, with the IBC and the judiciary. Okay, it is somehow lost hope. But this does not mean that he will not, front his candidate. Even though some people believe that Raila Odinga will still vie. Okay, because next election will be the next general election, it will be 82 years. And of course, 82 years you can vie. Even at 90 you can vie. Mugabe was vying even at 90. They let Mugabe. So guys, before we go on, take a time. Of course, if you are my first viewer, subscribe. Okay, receive my greetings. And it's my hope that you are doing well wherever you are. Now, remember very well, 2 weeks ago, Azimio was almost disintegrating. 2 weeks ago, Azimio was splitting. And why was Azimio splitting? Because Jubilee was accusing ODM of, being selfish. Because of these appointments that we have seen. Remember the ELA, the EL appointments, okay? Even the parliament committees, ODM managed to appoint their people, and Jubilee saw it as a move to frustrate them. Because remember Raila Odinga appointed his daughter Winnie Odinga to Yala. The council's son was appointed. But of course, Kenyans have been saying that there is no crime in being a son of a politician, which is true. Uhuru was a son to Uhuru Kenyatta, the former president, was a son to Jomo Kenyatta, and that did not stop him from being the president. Because Jomo Kenyatta is a different person, Uhuru is a different person, despite the fact that Uhuru is coming from Jomo Kenyatta. And that should be also brought here. Right now, Charlene Ruto, daughter to William Samoei Ruto, is traversing the whole country. Okay, he's having a big job, but no one is talking. So why talk about Raila's daughter? Yeah, so it needs to be. So Raila's daughter needs to be given, an opportunity to serve. Yeah, what matters here is whether he has the capacity to serve. So after Jubilee, threatened ODM, Raila was not perturbed. Raila was not even shaken. Actually, this ODM said that if Jubilee want to leave, let them leave. Because Raila's aim right now is to make sure that the next election is fair. He wants to clear the way. He doesn't even care about him vying. Okay, he wants to clear the way for the next candidate. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether Jubilee is in Azimio or not. Okay, and this of course prompted Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga to convene a meeting. Okay, just to make sure that these two parties don't collide, okay, and don't leave each other. Okay, so this meeting, of course, Uhuru was not there, but Uhuru sent his man, Jeremiah Kioni. Kalonzo was there virtually, actually, but Raila was there physically. Okay, and of course, they came up with they said that they should focus on frustrating Ruto's government. Okay, they should focus on dealing with Ruto, which is true. So Ruto right now has got no otherwise but to deliver on his manifesto. Because Raila said that he's waiting for 100 days that Ruto said. If 100 days will end or will finish without Ruto having done something, then he'll have to deal with Ruto. Yeah, and of course this is a tactical way of finishing Ruto. Right now, if you're keen enough, Ruto is not attacking Raila Odinga. Why? Because he needs Raila Odinga than anyone. Any president, just take your time. Moi, it reached a time whereby Moi was not fighting Raila Odinga, but he was extending his hand to Raila. Remember, Raila merged his party and joined KANU, okay? But of course, they collided when Moi opted, for Uhuru Kenyatta, to run in 2002. But prior to that, Raila was with Moi, because Moi knew that for him to have peace in this nation, he needs Raila Odinga. Even Kibaki was with Raila. Uhuru, okay, reached out to Raila Odinga when he saw things not working according to his plan. Same will happen to Ruto. Now Ruto is trying very hard to reach out to Raila Odinga. Actually, the only person who is attacking Raila Odinga is Gachagua, but Ruto is trying very hard to reach out to Raila Odinga, because he knows that for him to rule without any issue, he needs to be Raila's friend. He knows very well. He knows that, despite the words they are throwing at each other, but he knows without Raila Odinga he won't have peace, because he knows Raila Odinga has equal numbers, equal voters as him. Actually, Raila has got more voters than him. And of course, if you are doubting, this could have only been witnessed if at all Raila would have won the election. You'll have seen the mammoth celebration in Kenya. Raila is loved across the nation. So that's why I'm saying that Raila Odinga actually is keen. Actually, I think he's having a big plan, and of course this big plan will shock Kenyans and will frustrate Ruto. If I was Ruto, I would have reached out to Raila Odinga and of course have this handshake with him, because if he doesn't do that, then he will be in for root shock. He won't perform. Raila Odinga will frustrate him to the man. That's the reality. Okay? So that's what I'm saying. So Raila Odinga is planning a scheme, a new scheme, a quick scheme to finish William Samoei Ruto. If at all they won't have a friendship talk. That's what see Ruto is trying to reach out to Raila Odinga to have this handshake, to have a talk, to give him a job, so that he knows he's trying to to eliminate, to finish his his opponents. Yeah. So tell me in the comment section, do you think Raila Odinga will manage to finish Ruto's government as the way he's always been saying? Or do you think Raila Odinga is a coward who cannot do that? I think Raila Odinga should not be underrated. That's what I feel, because of the mammoth followers he has in Kenya. So guys, tell me what you think, and of course I will be glad to read your comment, and also I will be talking to you. Thank you, and before you leave wherever you are, subscribe. Thank you.